Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's everything you need to know this morning about the coronavirus. It's day 75 of the national lockdown, and South Africa's COVID-19 cases have now shot past the 50,000 mark. The total number of infections now stands at 50,879. Another 82 people have died in the past 24 hours. Over 2/3 of those people are from the Western Cape. The death toll now stands at 1,080. Over 26,000 people have recovered, which means there's a recovery rate of just over 51%. Yesterday, in his weekly newsletter, President Cyril Ramaphosa emphasized that while the increasing numbers were worrying, he added that we needed to be prepared instead of alarmed and protect those who were vulnerable. At the same time, EFF leader Julius Malema says he's tapping out of the president's consensus-building drive, saying he won't be part of consultative meetings with political parties on COVID-19. He says the president is simply using these meetings as a smokescreen for implementing nonsensical regulations, and then claiming that the decisions were reached by consensus and that all political parties were on board. Grades 7 and 12 kids have been back in the classrooms for a week in the Western Cape, and yesterday the rest of the country joined them. On the whole, returning to school seemed to go pretty smoothly. But there are schools that weren't able to open because they didn't meet the baseline requirements. Arrangements are being made for these schools, according to government. And several messages were doing the rounds yesterday saying that the ban on the sale of alcohol would be reinstated, which resulted in queues at many bottle stores. The spokesperson for cooperative governance has been quoted as saying that the ban would not be reinstated. As for smokers, the Fair Trade Independent Tobacco Association will be in court today, fighting the ban on the sale of cigarettes. The sale of smokes has been prohibited since the start of the lockdown. Globally, the virus has now infected more than 7.1 million people. In Brazil, an additional 15,000 cases have been reported as controversy grows over the country's coronavirus data amid allegations of manipulation from a senior lawmaker. And researchers from the University of Washington have revised their predictions, saying at least 145,000 people could die from the virus in the US by August. For more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus, and remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.